Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield, as this is after the last game. It's the Sunday now, after the last game of the season at Anfield. So come along and see what's going on. I've received some more information, so I'll feed this information through. But while I'm here, there's someone on the cherry picker right at the top there, so I'm going to zoom in on them right now, just in case they move. Okay, is he painting, is he? Ah, okay, someone told me what this was. Rust proofing, I believe. The bolts and joints. Okay. Right, so I'm going to fly over the pitch. I'm going to go a bit higher. Alright, so I've wrote some notes down. I've got some shout outs to do as well for people that have been asking for shout outs, so they'll get done in a bit as well. But firstly, now let's see how true this is. Apparently there's corporate games on today on the pitch. It's a last minute decision by Liverpool to hold some corporate matches. I know that we were asking last time about corporate matches. All the Irish people have paid money to play on the pitch. There's no football going on, but apparently they're on until 6 o'clock, so maybe there's one or two and they're just not on yet. I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. That's a stadium tour. So maybe get the stadium tours out the way and then get the corporate matches on. Also, I come at 4 o'clock this morning. There was nothing going on. There was no pitch covered, so I knew there was nothing going on. So until I received these messages earlier. So the stands itself, all the electricity, gas and water is being isolated now. What's that on the? What's that there? Don't know what that is. Anyone know what that is? Now that's, you know what, that'll bring me on to my next point. So this corner is the access point of where all the let me just zoom out, of where everything's going to come onto the pitch to cover it and stuff. So let me try and get around without losing my signal. So I was messaging John at the stadium to let him know what was going on while he was doing his live, and he got some footage of the plant outside. But there's going to be the access point of stuff coming in and out onto the pitch, so maybe that's something to do with it. I don't know, maybe that's something getting removed from the Annie Road, I don't know. Okay, so the pitch and demolition is going to start. Pitch covering and demolition is going to start tomorrow. It's getting handed over to JDP until the 12th of June. The pitch will be handed back to the club on the 24th of June. So I don't know how long this demolition is going to take. I don't know if that's the demolition and the remodelling of the lower tier or what, I don't know. But let me turn around and have a look. Right, okay. I'm just going to put it into sport mode so I can just get round faster. Here you go. Alright. Kicking. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You've got it in the ground, have you?
Yeah. Lost signal.
Put him right on the edge there, that would be...
I know, I've just been zooming in on him then. Cancel that.
Would you do all the little podcasts and that?
Yeah. I've got a YouTube channel. I'll do, yeah.
Yeah.
Mine's Casey Imageworks, have you seen that one?
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
Yeah, that's my one, yeah. Apparently the seats are getting taken out, but...
The what?
Apparently the seats are getting taken out, but I can't see anything just yet.
Get the new ones in.
Yeah, let's have a look. There's nothing coming out yet.
He does all the podcasts and the thing going. Yeah, I watch all them all the time.
Yeah, it's just me, Mr. Drone, Paul Frost and all that covering it. Yeah.
I've seen the other fella who does the, I like these, I don't like them now.
Oh yeah. No, I do Bramley Moor as well. Yeah.
Oh, do you do it?
Yeah, I do both.
I've seen you on it, like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's about it then? Is it flying right over it, is it?
It's it's by the cop.
Wow,
So,
that's Boston.
It's not you.
I can't see it.
If you can see because that can see us, because we're over here somewhere, aren't we?
Yeah. Let me glasses on.
See a little black dot in the sky there?
We're over here.
Oh yeah, the little tiny one there. Yeah, I can see it now. I can see it properly.
Where are we? There's us.
You can't lose. Huh? There's us there.
So you'll be on YouTube later.
Oh, will I? Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought, when seen you standing there, I thought,
Yeah.
he's got a show.
Yeah. I'll bring it back over. There's not much going on the pitch.
Do stuff like that.
Right, nice one, mate. See you later. What's your name? Give you a mention.
Neil.
Neil.
Yeah.
Nice one, mate. So, little shout out to Neil there for coming over and having a chat. Thanks, mate. Right, where was I? So there's not a lot going on the pitch. I don't know if that was getting moved out. Apparently the seats are getting removed, but I'm not sure where the bolts are getting removed. It could be the upstairs, I don't know. So I'm going to come, oh wait there, let's have a look down here first. No, there's nothing going on the roof, I don't think. Just have a little scout down here, I can see stuff. No, there's not a lot there. Right, so I'm going to bring it back around the front. I can hear a little bit going on, but not much. I'll bring it back down now. Yeah, so this will be cut a bit because I was doing quite a bit of talking to people around me. Okay. So put it back into slow mode now. I can hear something going on this side, but I think it might be inside where I haven't got visuals. Yeah, there's no one there. The only person I can see is that guy up there who was pretty sure it's rust proofing he's doing. Yeah, and that's someone over there as well. Yeah, let's come down this side.
That right over the stand, mate,
yeah? Yeah.
Nice one, mate.
So I'm just,
It's past that, isn't it?
I'm just having a look at this fella here. He seems to be rust proofing.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
What's your name?
Stephen.
Stephen, I'll give you a mention on the YouTube later.
Yeah?
Yeah. Casey Imageworks, I don't know if you've seen it or you watch any of these.
Oh, right.
My channel's called Casey Imageworks.
Are you live there?
Yeah. No, that's fine, sorry. No, I can cut it out. That's the beauty of editing, mate. Yeah. No, there's some on the roof here as well. Just had a look on a pitch because apparently there's some corporate games on today, but you haven't started yet.
Yeah. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Nice one, mate. So see you later. Ta-ra. Yeah, so the park's quite busy today, so I'm expecting people to come and have a chat when the drone comes out. People are interested, which I don't mind. I like talking to people, so yeah, it's great. So I don't know exactly what these are up to. I'm going to zoom out and try and get a bit closer, because you can't judge where you are miles away. You can't quite judge where you are. So I'll come round a touch. And then I'll do my shout outs. Yeah, these are marrying up that angled section, if you like, aren't they? So I'll move on to my shout outs anyway, before it gets any later. So Simon Dipper's vids, he's been on to me a few times and I keep forgetting to do it, just with everything that's been going on the on site. He wants a shout out for his daughters Tara and Dakota. So Tara and Dakota, your dad's done a shout out for you, and no doubt he loves you very much. And also Barry Kelly, he wants to do a shout out for his daughter called Eve Ritten. Again, fatherly love, you can't beat it. Okay guys, so I'm glad I could do that for you. And my niece wants a shout out, Madison. So Madison, you can have a little shout out as well. She always wanted James Madison to sign for Liverpool so she could have Madison on the back of her shirt. Well, have her name on the back of a shirt of a Liverpool player. But yeah, I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, no. But yeah, there you go guys for your shout outs. I'm sorry it took so long, Simon, but yeah, it was just really busy on site. I wanted to get things covered. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to leave that there. Little bit more information. It's changing daily, if I'm being honest. So make of that what you will, that information, okay? It's not. I'm just passing on what I'm told, okay? If I think it's credible, which I think it is, because I've been, I was getting fed text messages as things were happening, you see, so. And when John was doing his, I was getting messages and asking John on his live to go and have a look, and it was happening there and then live. So yeah, it's credible information. Okay, nice. If you like the video, please subscribe. Likes and comments are always appreciated. You know this. It helps me grow, and I reply to nearly every comment in the comments section, even because I get hundreds of them. If they require a reply, I reply to them. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching. As always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.